Hello people. So this is my 16th video of the day, and in this video people, as of today I'm literally getting a lot of insights, like I said, I'll be doing these reviews. Among nail polishes, I've found that Lakme, nothing beats Lakme in the nail polish category, among the Indian brands. I mean, I'm presuming it's, yeah, I mean the brands that are suited for the Indian pocket, because there are these certain nail polish brands that are very costly, like 350 for a nail polish, but this is also above 100, but it kind of very few nail polishes come as close to Lakme as Lakme. Yeah. So but seriously people, so like I said, among toothpaste it's Meswak, among face wash it's Himalayan Neem face wash, and among nail polishes it's Lakme, and among perfumes it's Water Girl, because you can see the color, the liquid in it. So yeah, Lakme nail polish is the, and this particular N236, it's called a Free Spirit, is, I found it to be a very nice shade. See, nice shade. Yeah. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.